In my research, what we're interested in is what drives lung disease in parts of the world that have been under-examined. And so the two risk factors that we're looking at most closely are HIV and tuberculosis. We're able to work here with physicians, with the research team at Weill Bugando, and then also with the lab team, with cardiology folks back in New York City at Weill Cornell, while doing our field work here, and in both respects sort of able to contribute to capacity building, which is, I think, a key component of this kind of work. So in screening for chronic lung disease and the diagnosis of chronic lung disease, the sort of key feature for a very long time has been spirometry, which is a procedure in which folks take a maximal inhalation followed by a maximal exhalation followed by another maximal inhalation. And that measurement reveals a lot about potential causes of respiratory symptoms in lung disease. We've identified COPD in about 9% of people with HIV and about 2% of people without. So it's very preliminary data, but it's suggesting this relationship that has been observed in previous cohorts in Europe and the United States, where tobacco smoking was very common. But what we've seen is that actually, of those participants we've identified with COPD, whether HIV positive or negative, they're all never smokers. So I think what we have at this point is sort of a preliminary foundation that helps us understand that really epidemics of chronic lung disease, obstructive lung disease outside of the United States are in fact likely defined by risk factors other than cigarette smoking, which require a lot more study.